3 days after breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, Bitcoin actually retested the trend line as resistance right here. And right now we seem to be dumping further down. What is Bitcoin going to do? I'm going to talk about everything in this video. Also about Ethereum, because that is looking very bullish as well. And let's just start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 3 days ago, it broke out of this giant symmetrical triangle. And right now we seem to be forming another smaller symmetrical triangle that has broken to the downside. We need to see how this will play out, but it's not looking too bullish in the short term. Now I do think that maybe we can set a double bottom here, like that. That actually seems like the most likely scenario to me, especially because the target out of this smaller symmetrical triangle we have right here is above the previous low. Now let's actually look at Ethereum, because Ethereum just had a lot of upside. Of course, we have to break the previous high before we can go a lot higher to maybe $2,000, but I definitely think that that will happen in maybe the coming month, because this is looking very good for Ethereum. Ethereum Bitcoin chart is also looking very good. We just broke out of this almost 20-day long rising wedge, so that's really bullish as well. And then looking at Bitcoin dominance, it seems like it will have some further downside to it the coming days, because we just broke this crucial support line. And I think that if we do continue to go lower here, that we can possibly go down all the way as low as right here, because it seems like there's some nice support right here. And of course, this will be very good for the altcoins like Cardano. Actually, let's look at Cardano, because it does look very good. We seem to be in this symmetrical triangle as well in Cardano, and I think that if Ethereum decides to go to a few $1,000s in the coming months, then Cardano could definitely go to $1 or more. And lastly, let's have a look at the DXY, of course. DXY is actually not looking good, because we just got rejected from this moving average. We have this light blue moving average, we got rejected, and we seem to have found support at this yellow moving average, but we have to see how this turns out, because you can't really decide what it has done right now. Still kind of testing the yellow line as support. So overall, I think the Bitcoin in the very short term can go a lot lower, maybe to $30,000 again, but after that, I do think that we will go to $50,000 in a very short period of time. And for Ethereum, I think that in the coming week, maybe we could already have a new all-time high. Maybe we could already be at $1,600, because Ethereum Bitcoin chart is looking really good. So that was my analysis. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye.